If you like our video, click the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses and training materials, visit us at teachucomp.com. After selecting controls in Form or Report Design View or Layout View in Access, you can then delete, copy, move, align, and space them as needed within your form or report. To delete selected controls in Form or Report Design View or Layout View in Access, press the Delete key on your keyboard. Alternatively, click the Delete button in the Records button group on the Home tab of the ribbon. If you delete a data field control you inserted into a form by using the field list, deleting the data fields control also deletes its associated label control. However, the opposite is not true. You can delete a selected label control in a paired data fields control without deleting the associated data field. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. Get ad-free courses at teachucomp.com.